Kayak lift. The kayak ceiling hoist easily lifts and stores any style bicycle, ladder, or kayak up to 125 pounds overhead. The kayak hanger for garage can accommodate many sizes of kayaks for convenient storage in your garage or shed. Easy installation. The heavy-gauge bike hoist for garage ceiling comes with plenty of premium rope for use on ceilings up to 12 feet tall and can be mounted either parallel or perpendicular to your joists for your convenience. Unique rope brake. Designed with an innovative automatic locking brake that pinches the rope with every pull, the Canoe hoist allows one person to raise the cargo themselves. A wall cleat is provided to tie off excess rope after lifting your load. Functional storage. This kayak pulley system for garage helps you declutter your shed, and the kayak storage hooks are designed with a rubber coating to protect your kayaks, canoes, or personal watercrafts from scratches. Product details, materials, rubber, rope, and metal. Dimensions. L, 14x, W, 12.75x, H, 10. Weight capacity, 125 pounds. Comes with one bike hoist, a cleat to attach to wall or ceiling, and mounting hardware. Color. Black. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I needed. I bought this in December 2020 and installed in January 2021. I was a bit scared off by some aspects of previous reviews, but they must have changed the product for the better. The only plastic is the pulley wheels, hooks, and all other parts are metal. My rope was not frayed at all, but did seem a little flimsy. Also, the rope wasn't long enough for my 11 garage ceiling, so I had to buy more. Not counting shopping and cleanup, it took me, a 66-year-old, not particularly a handyman, about 4 hours to install all by myself. The directions are clear and helpful. Don't divide the rope in half, since one part has to be much longer than the other to reach the far pulley. You can keep the rope one piece until the end, or even keep it looped to wrap around the cleat. I wish the cleat appeared sturdier, more like a cleat on a dock. My 100 pounds Hobie Compass Duo is nicely hanging from the garage ceiling now. The bottom of the hull is about 4 down. I might be able to get another foot back by tightening the straps, but you'd better plan for at least 3 down from a finished ceiling. The lock brake is a little tough to use, but I can do one rope at a time. I would buy it again.